Hey, this is Chris, and many people ask me, what's the best way to put down decomposed granite? And I see it done wrong all the time. The wrong way is to hard rake it and then roll it, and then it looks like cement. But here at this job, these guys are doing it the professional way. And the whole idea is that when you're done with your work, that it look like a natural environment. When you take a hard rake and then a roller and you finish, it's going to look much like the sidewalk here. What he's doing is using a broom, either on the straight edge or on the soft part, and brooming it out after it's been leveled, and we wind up with this really attractive natural look to the landscape. Yes, if it was a pathway, it'd be different, but this is a planter bed. This is a 3/8 minus Sedona coral, Arizona coral DG material. And you can see with these flowering shrubs and natural grasses that he's achieved a very beautiful natural look to the project. Something to consider when you're installing your landscape with DG materials.